Hi, I'm Jan from Leadoo. We're here to help you to activate your passive website visitors into potential leads. Now let's dive a bit deeper into this. On the left-hand side of the platform, you have the conversion kit. We talked about the three pillars of our service: conversion kit, conversion insights, and conversion experts. Within here, you can see the conversion kit. Essentially, your conversion kit are all the key tools that will enable you to actually create conversations with your visitors and drive those conversions home. We've got chat bots, we've got visual bots, in-page bots, and as we showed you in the examples on the other websites, the in-page bot is really kind of one of our core USPs. It's driving much more contextualized conversations on those landing pages that you're driving your visitors to. Of course, we have your typical chat bot as well. Let's look at one of the in-page bots, for example. So in here, you have a whole series. There's an unlimited number of bots that you can actually create when you take on, whether it's an Essentials package or a Pro package. We will build your solution at the beginning. We'll start off with approximately 8 to 10 bots on your website, and then we'll optimize them from there. Let's have a look at one of these. So the bot builder is, as you can see it here. So we zoom a little bit out, you can see the different decision trees that people go through. So when our team actually onboards you and builds your bots, they leverage a lot of their own experience to drive and create these conversations for you. So they're leveraging data from other businesses in your sector, as well as their own specialism in conversational marketing. One of the key things that we have in our business is, or across the sector, is that there are a lot of chatbot providers out there, but there are very few conversational experts out there in the world, and we've got lots of them. And this is where the solution really starts. Here you start to build your conversations and the different decision trees. And as you can see here, you've got lots of different variables. You can look at the optimization of them. So if you put it on optimization mode, you can see the traffic light system. And in this traffic light system, it enables you to see where people are dropping off. In this particular example, at the start, you can see that actually people are dropping off pretty quickly in this conversation. So clearly, this is an area that needs addressing. But actually, once they're in the discussion, they actually tend to convert. You can also see the analytics in terms of the triggers, the drop-off rates, as well as the answers and conversions. And finally, you can also see visual flows in terms of where they're going throughout these conversations. These are things that are continually optimized. You can add questions, you can add lots of different variables to these conversations to make sure that you're driving home those conversions. That is the ultimate goal.